Hello everyone, welcome to UNILAND MOTORS. This week we come to our Qingdao Warehouse and here comes hundreds of ID.4 Crozz and ID.6 Crozz. The Prime version is the top version of ID.4 Crozz and ID.6 Crozz. And let me show you the several colors of ID.4 Crozz Prime and ID.6 Prime. Okay, let's go. ID.4 Crozz Prime white color. The ID.4 Crozz Prime version blue color. ID.4 Crozz Prime version gray color. And the ID.6 Crozz Prime the blue color. Behind me is the ID.4 Crozz, the Prime version. Let me get you to visit this car and see the details of the outside and the inside. This car is the top version of ID.4 Crozz. This one is a four-wheel drive one. You can see this one is with all the ID series features, the IQ light system, and this massive wheel, dynamic off-side working, and the tail light, the also type. With the logos, the right side. Let's get into the car. This panel one on the Moroccan wheel. Two Type-C port, charging port, and wireless charging. Two container, the cup holders, and this one you can put some card. So with the sunroof, double slide. You can see this one is with the Alcantara and with the whole gliders. Okay, very sporty style. This one also goes with the electric speed adjustment and memory. Let's get into the second row. This is the panoramic sunroof is also with this cylinder. The arm strap here with 2 cup holders. For the AC control and 2 Type-C charging ports. Let's see the trunk. The trunk space is massive space. There also is a space under this cover, and under this cover is some tools. It's all electric tailgate. This is the ID.6 Crozz Prime version. It's the dark blue one. Let me show you around. This car is a 6-seat version with 3 rows. The trunk. One, two, three, four, 6. The trunk is pretty big. Let's get into the car. For the interior is pretty similar to the ID.4 Crozz on this Prime versions. With the cylinders, also with the openable sunroof. And the 3-row, there's 2 seats in the middle and 2 seats on the last row. Let's get into the second row. AC controls and charger. This lighter is a combination of the lighters and Alcantara, and with this orange strip. Today, I just like to visit our ID.4 and ID.6 Crozz Prime version with several colors. And for the white ID.4 Crozz and the dark blue, the ID.6 Crozz. And now in our warehouse, we have hundreds of these cars. And next week, if you want to see more, and just let me know and comment below. And thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe to our videos, and we will let you see more cars in our warehouse and in our showrooms.